Do you want to get Voice Changer on MetaQuest? We'll guide you through how to get Voice Changer on MetaQuest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S, no PC, with complete guide. First, turn on your headset and open the main menu. From there, go to your app library and launch the Browser app. Next, tap the search bar in the browser and type Voice Changer Online. Go ahead and open a site like voicechanger.io. When the site asks for permission, just allow it to use your mic or upload audio so it can access your headset microphone. After that, you'll see a bunch of voice styles you can try, like robot, alien, monster, deep voice, or chipmunk. Pretty fun stuff. Pick any effect you feel like using. Now hit the record button, talk into your headset mic, and then play it back to hear how your voice sounds with the effect. Keep that Voice Changer tab open in the browser while you're using apps that support background audio. Some folks like to use this trick during VRChat sessions just for fun voice effects. Yep, this works without a PC. Just keep in mind, most Voice Changer websites only change recorded audio, not your live in-game voice. If you want real-time voice changing while gaming, you'll usually still need a PC or another external app.